Hello guys, today is 8 or 9, I don't know, next day, and I continue my project, which is the project jeans that I was putting in bleach, and I now put more water and make that jeans, rinse them, and then I will put them on there to make them dry. But now we have to get a little bit, rinse them from bleach, because yesterday I put more bleach and I put gloves to be protected. Wow, they are lighter now, but I don't know if I like this shade because they look yellowish instead of white. Bluish. Instead of light blue, they now look yellow here. I don't know if I will like this kind of shade. Wow, they are much lighter. Maybe I get rid of this here. Hang them on the lines, and now they looks like this. I like how it come out. This one, not bad. Just maybe that an ass looks funny. All yellow. Maybe I should put less bleach, because now it has yellow instead of light blue. And this part looks like this. I look funny now. Maybe they will look good when I wash them. So yeah, that's how my project of jeans come out. Not too shabby. Okay, so if you want, you can try it at home, but maybe don't put too much, because then you will have like this kind of too light patches, and I would prefer that it's a little like here, like light blue. But can be this way too. Maybe in future we'll try another jeans, like some kind of dark wash jeans, as I don't like dark wash jeans anymore. And maybe we'll again show some DIY. Okay, that's it for this product. Oh, now sun come out. Yeah. Have to put this away. Or throw it away. And this too. So today is cooler than before. It's like 60s or late 960s or maybe 50s even. No, maybe 60s outside. and I was a little outside to get some rays from sun, and then I will go cook pasta as we eat spaghetti today. So we have sauce, we have to use it. And today is a gloomy day, nothing special happening, so yeah, see you later. I see my friends in the yard here. Look, they're so close. See? Cooking pasta, and here is a really thin spaghetti. This one.
Well done.
In Walmart, as you can see, many people here still, most wearing masks, but some don't, but most do.
Typically, this is all they have. They don't have much of a variety, you know.